Hello everyone, it's that time of year when all the kids go back to school, and that also means it's time to invest in all those valuable school supplies. In light of the beginning of a new season, I thought I'd use the most common back-to-school item everyone thinks of for our next Inventor quick tip. We're going to customize our engraved pencil text per company name and lead type, or graphic specification. And I'm going to show you a way to automate the process of changing the text based on parameters, and even set up an easy form that we can fill out. As you have already seen, we have placed the text on a new sketch on the pencil, defined its location, and expand the text box so it doesn't wrap the text if it gets too long. Then we can go ahead and extrude it to a very small value. And I'll change the color so we can see the text a little easier. Let's go with a darker color. That looks good. In the parameters dialog, I'm going to add a couple user variables, starting with the customer. This variable is simply typed in. Then we can add a second item for the graphite type. In this case, we can make it a pull-down selection. There's a wide range of darkness and hardness. I'll just add 3 options. Here's where the magic begins. When we edit the text, we are able to link it to those parameters. I'll pick the customer, choose user parameters, the customer variable, and include it. Then we can do the same thing for type, and include that. And we're done. We can change the parameters, and it will update the text without editing the sketch every time. Let's take it a step further and create a form that can be filled out. In the iLogic browser, we can add a form, and I'll start by giving it a name. Then we can drag and drop the 2 parameters into the form, and that's all you need to do. We now have a form that can be pulled up anytime to customize the extruded text on the pencil. This can be very helpful for commonly used part templates that contain part numbers or descriptions as text on the model. I hope this Inventor quick tip was interesting for you. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.